seen the A35 AMG with Expect Car Care.
Never wash your car before cleaning your wheels first.
Don't touch your paint before pre-washing first. Pre-wash with snow foam and let dirt drip off.
Create a lubricating barrier for a safe contact wash.
Make your car shine, water and dirt repellent for 2 to 3 months with Glow Up ceramic spray coating. Use a pull-off drying towel to absorb more water than a regular microfiber towel.
Protect your tires and give them a matte satin finish.
Shiny leather is dirty leather. Clean it to make it matte again.
Make your windows clear without leaving streaks.
Give your car the care it expects and